Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to get on here today and do a quick Dollar Tree haul, sharing some of the stuff that I picked up. I didn't pick up too much, but I still wanted to share. So the first thing I picked up are some of these flat back pearls in like this mint, like a minty color. I don't have any of these. I have them in red and I think in pink, but I don't have this color. So I picked these up. I also saw this cute little tray. Isn't that cute? So I picked this one up. It's good to put like little ephemera pieces and stuff like that. I think that's cute. Let me take this out of the frame because my lighting is horrible, and when it's dark like that, no bueno, you guys, no bueno. I saw this cute little nightlight and it says somewhere over the rainbow. Isn't that cute? I don't know why I picked it up because I don't know where to put it, but it was just too cute to pass up. Picked up some Whacker packs for my Easter mail. I picked up some of these Revo lip balms. I got the watermelon one and I got another one, but it'll come up at some point. But they're good to add in like Happy Meal. Why does my... Hold on a second. Let me see if I think it looks a little bit more clear. But yeah, I picked those up. I picked up some stickers, you guys. I was excited to find these. I picked up these. I picked up these. How cute are those? And look, you guys, perfect for summer for $1. Heck yeah. 2 packs of twine. You can never have enough twine. And I picked up 2 packs. I ripped this by mistake, so don't mind that. That was me taking it out. But look at these patterns. How cute are they? And they're like little gift bags for Easter. So I picked those up, and then I picked up these 2. And it has like the scallops on the top. Isn't that the cutest? I love that. And then you guys, they had, I've never tried this paper, but they had Polaroid photo paper. And it's 8.5 by 11. And I want to try it out. Like, that's pretty cool. You get 8 sheets. So just in case it's good, I have 3 packs, and if it's not, I only lost $3, you know? So I picked those up. I was going to get 5, but I was like, okay, Lily, you're being excessive. You don't even know if they're good or not. And then I was excited to find this little collection because I seen a lot of people post it, and I was so happy to find it. So I got the stickers. I got this little notepad. This little notepad with a pineapple. I got this pad that says Happy Thoughts. I love the rose gold and pink. So cute. This little like journaling notebook that says hello. And then I got this one that says Be Happy, Be You. You guys, for $1, these look like ones that you can pick up in TJ Maxx. They're so cute. I would have took the whole display if there was more. But I got the last of it. Picked up some Easter grass, and it has a combination of the green, the pink, and the yellow. And then the last few things that I picked up were these Betty Crocker scissors. I know they're meant for the kitchen, but I'm going to try them out and see how good they are. And then I picked up 2 of these little charm sets. And I think that's it. And some snacks, but I ain't showing you guys those. You know, just some candy, some Easter candy to feed my little sweet tooth. But yeah, you guys, that's everything I picked up. Yesterday I went to TJ Maxx and I found these cute little pom-pom clips. How cute are those? Oh, I forgot to show you guys one thing. I picked up wrapping paper because you guys know I'm trying to get my wrapping paper stash going. So I did pick up 1 in Dollar Tree, and I picked up 2 in TJ Maxx. So I'll get those right now. Okay, this is the one that I picked up at TJ Maxx. You guys, how cute is that? It's the little dog with the glasses. Isn't that cute? And it's by Cynthia Rowley. And I paid $2.99, you guys. That's awesome. And then I also picked up this one, which is my favorite, and it's by Bella Lux. And it's unicorns with wings and donuts. It's like, what? It's what dreams are made of. Look how cute. I couldn't pass this up. And if I see another one of these, I'm picking up another one when I go back. And then the one I picked up at Dollar Tree is this beautiful floral one. Isn't that pretty? So we're gathering a nice little decent collection, you guys. But that's everything I picked up at Dollar Tree and the few things at TJ Maxx. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye guys.